Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to add Wise to your Stripe account seamlessly in just 5 minutes. This integration is an excellent way to streamline your financial processes and make handling international transactions effortless. Let's get started. First, navigate to stripe.com and sign into your account by clicking on the sign-in link located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, ensuring they are correct to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a simple password recovery option available. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard, where you can manage all your transactions and settings. From here, navigate to the home page and locate the Balance section. Clicking on this will provide an overview of your account balance and offer various management options. Our main goal is to link your Wise account to Stripe. Click on the option that says Add Bank Account. Here, you will input your bank details from Wise. Having your Wise account details, such as your account number and sort code or IBAN for international transactions, ready will make this process faster and smoother. Carefully enter this information to ensure a seamless integration. After filling in all the necessary bank details, confirm the integration by clicking the Add Bank Account button. Double-checking the information is crucial to avoid any complications later. Once you complete these steps, your Wise account should be successfully linked to your Stripe account. This will facilitate easier processing of international payments, streamline your transactions, and enhance your financial management system's efficiency. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. Integrating financial tools like Wise and Stripe can significantly boost your business's efficiency, allowing you to handle transactions more seamlessly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Goodbye for now.